If Napoleon had never existed, Europe, and even the whole world, globe's political map would be different without Napoleon. Europe might have stayed under the control of old monarchies. France would likely have remained a monarchy after the French Revolution, with less spread of revolutionary ideas like liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Napoleonic Wars reshaped Europe's borders. Without him, that transformation might never have happened. Takkari 2. Modern legal systems might be delayed. Napoleon introduced the Napoleonic Code 1804, a civil law system that influenced countries across Europe and beyond. Without it, many nations like Italy, Spain, and even Latin American countries might have continued with outdated feudal laws. Germany 10. Germany and Italy's unification could be delayed. Napoleon's wars indirectly encouraged nationalism. His conquest broke old empire and inspired people to think of a united nation. Without him, Germany and Italy might have taken much longer to unite. Purani Imarat 4. Rise of Britain as a global power might be slow. Britain grew powerful after defeating Napoleon in 1815 Battle of Waterloo. If there were no Napoleon, Britain might not have had such a strong reason to expand its navy and empire at that pace. Paise wala bag punch. Economy and trade. Napoleon's continental system tried to stop Britain's trade with Europe. This affected global trade patterns. Without his policies, world trade might have developed differently. Bomb 6. Wars and deaths. Millions died in the Napoleonic Wars. Without him, Europe might have been more peaceful but less progressive politically. Dimag 7. Ideas of equality and nationalism. Napoleon spread revolutionary ideas across Europe. Without him, democracy, secularism, and merit-based systems might have taken much longer to become popular. America Vikhanda Globat. Impact on colonies. Hus was affected colonies in India, the Americas, and Africa. Without Napoleon, the British Empire might have expanded differently.